Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're going to be showing you how to install and use NordVPN on your iPhone. First things first, open your iPhone's web browser and head over to the NordVPN website. I've put a link in the description and pinned comments with a special discount, so be sure to check that out. Once you're on the NordVPN site, click on Get NordVPN. Now, you need to choose the plan that's right for you. Click on the drop-down menu, and you'll see options for a 1-month, 1-year, or 2-year plan. The 2-year plan gives you the best discount. Now, since we just want the VPN for this video, we'll choose the basic plan. This includes just the VPN. The Plus plan includes the VPN and NordPass, their password manager, which I personally use. Then there's the Ultimate plan, which includes everything we've mentioned, plus 1 terabyte of cloud storage and even cyber insurance up to $5,000. But for this video, we're sticking with the basic plan. Feel free to explore the other options though. Okay, so we've chosen our plan. Now we need to download NordVPN. Click on the hamburger icon in the top right corner, then click on Download VPN. From here, choose iOS under the Mobile tab. Then click Download VPN. This will bring up a pop-up in the App Store where you can download NordVPN. You might be asked for your iCloud password. Once you've entered that, the VPN will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up. NordVPN will then ask you to sign into your Nord account. Click on Login. Next, you need to accept their privacy policy. Click Agree and Continue. This will redirect you to the Nord account sign-in page. Just enter the details you used when you signed up for your account earlier. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the NordVPN homepage where you can start using the VPN. There are a couple of ways to connect. You can either interact with the map at the top or scroll through the list of countries below. I'm currently in the United Kingdom, but I want to connect to a server in Texas. So I'll go back to NordVPN, select a server in Texas, and click Quick Connect. After a few seconds, it will connect to the server. You'll see Connected at the very top. Now that we're connected to the Texas Dallas server, if I go back to my web browser and refresh the page, you'll see the website now thinks I'm in Texas Dallas because we're connected to the VPN server. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.